I'm about to share the secrets with you to making money online. Have you ever tried to make money from home or from online and you basically think this is going to be the next program, except you don't have a mentor that's going to tell you what works and what doesn't? I struggled and prayed and hoped for somebody that was a tenth of what I'm getting right now. And you will have a mentor that will train you and will train your people and your people's people. These action steps: book an appointment with our affiliate mentor specialist, Justin Temple, now. These calls are not to upsell you. These calls are designed to be a DFY sponsor style to help your team get their AM business set up, even if you're not available as a sponsor. We will help your team because we know many of our affiliates are busy and may be working a 9 to 5 while running ads. Please prepare any questions you may have before a meeting. Book a call now. This is the first step on how to become elite, the person you always dreamt of being. Because you get the training that you need and your people get the training that they need. Ever since I got this site right here that you get, even with the lowest membership, $50 a month, which gets you $20 a month and will build your residual income. This is all you need to train your people. This is all you need to train your people, and it's done for you. These are videos on how to do all the steps, including how to schedule a coaching call with our team leader. Look, 150 email swipes. You usually pay for that. List the keywords to know now. List of top Facebook marketers to engage with. The bridge video training. What to do when you get an AM sale. How to make your first YouTube video. This is a 33-minute video, by the way, right here. Look. It's copy and paste simple. See, it doesn't matter what you're selling online, whether it's an ebook, whether it is a lotion, a potion, save club, it doesn't matter. If you can't get the eyeballs on your offer, you're going to struggle. And what is our main product? Traffic. Top tier traffic, affiliate mentor review 2025. That's what this video is about. What is affiliate mentor? It is the front end product to Traffic Authority. And Traffic Authority are traffic gurus who specialize in getting eyeballs on your offer. And we will help you build whatever business you want to build. It doesn't have to be affiliate mentor. It can be anything. What makes affiliate mentor? They are specialized in getting eyeballs on whatever offer. And you can also get your leads. And they offer even traffic packages that can guarantee a certain amount of leads and a certain amount of sales too. And you can get them for up to 50% off. So, yeah, this is a hell of an offer, and it's going to explode. We're in the very beginning of this. And these offers where you can get guaranteed sales, not going to last forever. But build an email list, build know, like, and trust with your people, and the money will come. Especially when you're training, you're able to give these bonuses. This is the basic bonuses. Look at this. If you're sending people to the actual capture page, I'll show you what that looks like right here. See this big old long link right here? That is basically the default page that everybody sends somebody to, and then you're just building a company's list. That's not the way to make money. JT is not going to bullshit you. He's going to help you. He cares about you. He cares more about your success than he does about his own. He's also been a top 200 earner since he was 15 years old in a 100,000 strong company. He's a top 2 or 3 right now. And the number 1 spot was given to Mac Mills by the company. And he's either 2 or in the 3rd spot. So he's killing it. And all his people, just like me, are killing on YouTube with this training right here. This is all you need. But it's the basic thing we give to everybody. These are videos that are set up exactly how to do things. And then they also You can call JT, get help anytime, and we care about your success. We have the best bonuses. We have the best team. Our people are ranking all over YouTube and even Google. And you can do it too. Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. Affiliate Mentor is a great program. Again, they're front end of traffic authority. We have the best bonuses. We have the best team. You need to get with us. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka Yo Friend and Neighborhood Solid Man. This was my Affiliate Mentor Review 2025 video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.